What's up, guys? We're back. This video is brought to you by Grow Peaceful. We are back in my 3x3 tent, and it is a vivosun pro tent kit. We have two AEROLIGHTWINGS daisy chained together. We have two fans in the center. I also have two 6-inch oscillating fans, and we also have a vivosun 2K camera that does night vision, and it also does time lapse. So what I did earlier is I came in and I watered them. They went 3 days. I let them go an extra day, not by choice. I was just really busy yesterday. I went fishing, and I did not get to the plants. It's the first time ever I've never got to the plants like that. But I did have fun, so that's what's up. It was nice out yesterday. Catfish were biting. So we are, I came in today and I mixed up a dose of recharge and just pH'd it down to 6.3, and I gave them each 2 liters, and I could tell the difference just by going that extra day how light they really were. So they're looking okay. I don't understand this puffiness. It could be just from over watering. So that's why I'm drying them out. And wherever I put those clips, they pop right back off. So we're just gonna let her go. They are topped. So we're gonna let them go a little bit, probably till we're on day 25. We're gonna probably let them go 5 more days before I try to clip anything out. We'll let them just grow all the way till flower-ish, because they start flowering-ish around day 30, and that way I can get in there and take off a few more fan leaves, get a better idea of what I'm working with, and clip them out and let them go through the stretch. So that's what the plan is anyways. We have a runts and an apple fritter, a supreme runts and an apple fritter. So they are what's up, guys? We're back. It's day 26. I'm not gonna do anything to them today. I came in yesterday, I gave them a dose of recharge and just some pH'd water. They look like they're going into flower. Well, that one does for sure, and this one looks like she is a little bit. So they're going in just a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything to them training wise. I might try to slap some clips on them. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see in another 4 days. When I go to, try to slap some clips on them. And we'll see how they're looking. But we'll come in tomorrow and we'll water them. They're looking good. They're nice and healthy. Really not much I can say about them. If you guys are looking for anything from Grow Peaceful, guys, go to growpeaceful.com. Select whatever you're going to select. It comes discreetly to your door, and the bean is taped underneath the lid, and you just make a little hole. Spread some water first, like about 6 turkey basters, and then make it like a 1/2 inch hole. Drop it down in there, pinch it, just cover it, and then use like another 1/2 inch, half a turkey baster, and put a humidity dome over it and leave it for 3 to 4 days, and you should have results. Make sure your humidity is up, and because they like high humidity all the way until day like 20, 25, and then they can make it on their own. If you got just one, I would add a little bit of humidity, but if you have 2 of them, they'll be fine on their own. But they're looking good, all of them. Yeah, it's definitely going into flower. I wish I could have got 5 more days, but I guess not. That's the thing with autos. They do what they want. This one's not nearly as far, but we are on, what did I say? Well, I guess we're not too bad. I guess we're not too bad. Day 32. So they're right on schedule. And we'll just let them grow up. Try to put some clips on them here in the next few days, and see what's up. I think I'm gonna hit them with the dose of recharge tomorrow, or like a 1/2 dose, and see how that does. See how that helps them out. But all right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow when I come in and water. Later. What is up, guys? We are back. It is day 33. It has been a few days to some circumstances that I couldn't avoid. So my girl has been trying to take care of them, and she's done a pretty good job. I came in and I cleaned them up a little bit. There was a dead, right here, there was a dead one. I lost a branch. But other than that, I cleaned them up. We're gonna water them. 2 liters. They've been not really, I don't believe, getting enough water, but it's better than overwatering. So we're gonna make some adjustments, and we're going to try to bring these girls back to life as well. All the girls are not in very good condition right now, but we will do what we can to bring them back. So we're only on day 33. We have plenty of time. So bump up the water. I'll probably hit them with the dose of recharge the next time I water them, which honestly will probably be tomorrow. I have a feeling that they're going to go right through this water. We're only going to give them 2 liters. I want to get a baseline and see where we're at, And but other than that, I mean, they don't look that bad. There's no training to them really at all. I did top them. If you guys remember, I topped them way back when. I think it was day 14 or 13. So besides that, that's the only training really. So I did throw some clips on them, and we'll see what that'll do, if that'll help, because they're still stretching. Well, this one is. So this one I only put 3 on just to level it out, level out the canopy, and we'll see where it goes. But that's going to be it for this week. If you guys can, please smash that like, share this video. As I start to get stronger, you guys already know, the content will be back to normal, and we'll get you guys 3 videos a week, hopefully. And yeah, so smash that like as always, guys, and we'll see you guys next week. Later.